The diversity of endpoints and their varied configuration settings requires administrators to perform customized queries and actions on them. Enterprises can no longer work with a one-size-fits-all set of configuration settings and actions. Accelerite Sentient is a highly extensible endpoint security and management tool. In this video, we will demonstrate how Sentient gathers information embedded deep inside the endpoints using custom scripts which can be created by IT administrators. The custom script feature of Sentient empowers administrators to run custom scripts for attributes or actions that are specific to their enterprise environment and go beyond Sentient's inbuilt queries. Let us take an example to check whether the Sentient endpoint management software itself is working fine on all endpoints. Sentient's endpoint management agent on the client creates a file called connect.log with all its operational and error details. The IT administrator can create a custom script called detect sentient health, which takes connect.log file as a parameter and parses the log file to check for errors. So, we'll type a query that says get devices where detect sentient health returns true with parameter connect.log with details. The result of this query shows two devices that have an error in their sentient log file. We can drill down to get the details of the error and to make appropriate fixes. Let's take another example of a policy change that we might have done a fortnight ago which required all the endpoints to be rebooted. Now, the systems which fail to be rebooted will continue to be vulnerable. The IT administrator can create a script to detect reboot status that accepts the number of days as an argument to find out whether the endpoint has been rebooted in those many days. We will type a query that says get devices where script reboot status returns true with parameters 15 days with details. Sentient discovers that around 8,000 devices have not been rebooted after the recent policy change and are still running on previous policy. Here, along with the other categories of classification, the exact time of the last reboot can also be found. It is quite common to find outdated versions of the software running on the endpoints because of various reasons. As an example, let us find all the machines that are running versions of Notepad++ software other than the recommended version using a script called match version. We will type a query that says get devices where script match version returns true with parameters, which is the path to Notepad++ exe. The result shows that two devices are not running the desired version, and we also see the actual software version. Sentient also provides an option to further drill down to get more details. This is how it becomes extremely convenient for an IT administrator to check on current software version details using its custom script feature. With new threats evolving and impacting enterprises, it is critical to have a solution that is flexible and extensible. In this video, we saw how Accelerite Sentient's custom script feature can be used for some very specific custom use cases for an organization. A combination of Sentient's inbuilt queries and custom queries results in better compliance and robust security posture.